Today, let's learn the 10 types of adjectives in English with simple explanations and easy examples. Let's begin. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells us what kind, how many, or which one. In simple words, adjectives add extra details. They can describe color, size, shape, or amount. There are 10 types of adjectives: descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, proper adjectives, compound adjectives, participial adjectives, distributive adjectives, and numeral adjectives. Let's start with the first one. Descriptive adjectives describe qualities such as size, shape, color, or feeling. For example, big house, small dog, blue sky, red apple, tall man, short girl, happy child, fast car. Next, quantitative adjectives show quantity or amount. For example, some water, much time, many books, few people, little sugar, enough food, plenty of milk, no money. Demonstrative adjectives point to specific things. For example, this book, that car, these shoes, those houses, this idea, that boy, these apples, those flowers. Possessive adjectives show ownership. For example, my book, your car, his house, her bag, its tail, our school, their home, my phone. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. For example, which book? What time? Whose bag? Which car? What color? Whose phone? Which road? What food? Proper adjectives come from proper nouns and show origin. For example, American food, Italian pizza, Chinese tea, French wine, Indian culture, Japanese car, British accent, Spanish music. Compound adjectives are made by joining words together. For example, well-known actor, part-time job, full-time worker, high-speed train, long-term plan, short-term goal, good-looking girl, old-fashioned dress. Participial adjectives come from verbs and usually end in ed or ing. For example, broken window, tired man, bored student, excited child, shining star, falling leaves, running water, smiling face. Distributive adjectives refer to individual members of a group. For example, each student, every day, either side, neither answer, each child, every person, either option, each team. Numeral adjectives show number or order. For example, 1 apple, 2 dogs, 3 books, 4 chairs, 5 students, first prize, second place, third floor. Now, let's look at how adjectives are used. There are 2 common positions. Attributive adjectives come before a noun. For example, red apple. Predicative adjectives come after a linking verb. For example, the coffee is cold. Finally, degrees of comparison. Adjectives can change form to compare things. Positive, the base form, like tall. Comparative, used to compare 2 things, like taller. Superlative, used to compare more than 2, like tallest. That's all for today. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more simple English lessons. Thanks for watching.